Okay, so I'm feeling sort of like paralyzed, and I'm getting back to, okay, so I'm going like, I can't do that, I can't do that, overthinking basically, which brings me back to, back engineering with Anne, why am I the way I am, and why are there these stops in my head telling me, no, like it's taking a picture bad is, do this bad. If I eat, will, it affect the poor kids, over and whatever. And then, so, no, I go, no, okay, I gotta just, keep going. And so then I'm looking at this tree, because then I also think, like, okay, will I never be able to go, back into this place because, wow, I took a picture of me. Can I take pictures and I think back to my child, some of my sisters, they didn't like the picture taken. I thought, no. And so then I look at this tree, it looks like the tree is shooting up, but in fact, see, it looks like, you see the needles and band-aid and stuff. But then I look at myself, I had a checkup too. And, anyways, I didn't say